Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Sanyang Motor has just launched its DRG BT, a sporty scooter with aggressive and futuristic styling. DRG stands for Dragon, and it certainly looks the part with its high mount headlights and high tail. The sporty scooter was first previewed at the 2019 EICMA. Now it is finally in production. Many scooters claim to be sporty, but Sanyang Motors DRG BT plans to live up to it with a 50-50 weight distribution and capable of lean angle of 42 degrees. As evident from this video, it features all LED lighting with front position lamps that also double as turn signals. Behind, the Dragon Eye tail lamps are mounted on a high tail, while the turn signals are fitted on the tire-hugging fender, along with its plate mount. Powering it is a 158cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which produces 14.6 brake horsepower and 15.44 Nm of torque. SYM has also fitted it with a zero-resistance starter and generator for smoother and faster starts and operation. It also has an anti-lift engine hanger system, which makes the engine lift less at the moment of starting, so that the shift of the center of the gravity is limited. SYM says this feature aids in weight distribution, responsive starting power, and stability. SYM also says that the DRG BT can achieve an average of 42.4 km per liter. For the rider, there's a fully digital instrument cluster. There are also convenient features like a power socket on the front shield. While riding, it has an idling stop function and a 2-channel ABS. Under the seat is the storage space for helmet and gloves. It rides on a telescopic fork in front and a middle-mounted monoshock at the rear. 13-inch alloy wheels meet the road. For now, this DRG BT is only available in Japan for 409,000 Japanese yen. That is around 195,000 pesos. Its home market of Taiwan likely to be next in line. We have yet to find out if the Philippines will get this model soon. However, with that price, it may be a bit expensive for most. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.